Hey everybody, Derek Smith from Pop-Up Camper Pro. Our sales team just gave me a call, say they got an older Chesapeake in that's got an issue with the roof, asked me to take a look at it. Let's go grab it, see what we got. I'll be right back, Shenandoah. Good girl. And I would say that's probably it. Well, we got her hooked up, but any extension for this, that's a little too tight for my liking. I won't worry about the chains for the small drive back to the shop, but we'll definitely get extension harness so we got some lights. Hey, Sue.
Hey.
We need an extension harness. Aha. That's what we need, everybody. Check out the new chalk art behind it. Happy Halloween. Hey, we got lights. Let's get this baby back to the shop. All right, obviously we have one corner. It's not going down all the way. So step one, see if we can get her up in the air and inspect the lift arm. Let's see if she'll raise. That's good. You can see where the roof at this point kind of leveled itself out. And here we can peek inside the lift arm, see if we see anything obvious. Looking for damage or defects to the outside of the arm. That all looks pretty good. The lift trim isn't even broken up. And oh, look at this. Look at this. This is a lift pocket. And that lift pocket is crushed and damaged. And I'm gonna bet it was hitting down in here. Okay, we're in here at this corner. We'll take down the little canvas retainers and give us access to this lift pocket cover. Yeah, and I would say definitely that's the problem. All right, I checked to see if I have a new or used one of these in stock. I do not, but I think my buddy Justin can fix this. Let's give him a call.
Hello.
Hey, what's up, Justin?
Oh, plumbing and a propane tank.
Oh, nice. You got time to help me bend a small piece of metal back in shape? I'm working on a camper we took as a trade-in.
Probably.
Okay, cool. I'll be right there.
All righty.
Thanks, man. What's up, brother?
What's going on?
Perfect. Thanks, man.
Not a problem.
Okay, you gotta get out of my shot. Doo-doo-doo. That was it.